get a desk chair.
What about a mask check? Should I be able to see your nose?
No.
Probably not.
You can't see mine. You can't see mine. You can't see mine. I can see your nose. You can see yours.
I'm still not sure why we're all talking out.
Now put your nose.
And get ready to learn.
All right, my friends, we're going to start with a few simple math problems. So I want you to get your whiteboards out of your crate. Quietly get your whiteboards out. Amir, if you hold up your whiteboard, what else do we need? We need our dry erase markers. We need our dry erase markers, and we need our socks. Thank you, guys. You get your whiteboard out and your marker and socks.
I was just reading on my ears.
I know what's in there. Here's what we're gonna do. Aaron, I did not ask you to open up your markers yet. Naomi, I did not ask you to open your marker. I am going to write a problem on our board. It's gonna be easy, DeMonte. And you are going to quietly write your answer as big as you can on your board. When you have your answer, you're going to hold it up. I should not hear anyone talking while we are holding up our answers. Because you don't want your friends to see your answer, right? Yes, Jason.
We gotta guess the answer.
You don't have to guess. I want you to figure it out. Okay? I'm going to tell you. So our first one is going to be pretty easy. Write on your board, super quietly, what is my answer? Write it on your board, sorry. Aaron, is your marker with you? Okay.
I don't have 11. Oh, I got mine.
We should not be talking. This is independent work. I love seeing that people are already using our strategies on their boards. Amir, you can put yours down. Jason, put yours down. Good, Zaria. Minus. My answer.
I know my dogs can help me with this one. She's recording. I need my dogs to help me.
What do you think?
I should. Recording. 3.
Is that my answer?
3.
What do you think?
I think I have my markings.
If I have not seen your board yet, I would like to see it. Beautiful, Ziad.
Look away.
Demonte, did you get your answer? Keep thinking.
3.
Ooh. We are not shouting our answers.
Yeah.
Where's your answer? I only see the problem. I don't see the answer. Zaria. Zaria, can you tell me the strategy you used to get our answer? What can I do? Aaron, I hope you are listening.
It's 3.
Yeah, so look, keep drawing your line here. Thank you, Zaria. Good to see. Zaria showed us our counting on strategy. She was drawing all of these lines and saw that we had 3 lines from 8 to 11. So our answer is, what was our answer, Zaria?
3.
3.
I put the answer 3 already, so that was my knee.
Okay, wipe off your boards. We're going to do another one.
I'm good. She's recording.
When you are ready to go, I should see your eyes.
She recording. No, but what y'all doing? It's not a book.
I should see your eyes if you are ready to go. Aaron, you are not ready to go because you have writing on your board. Beautiful, sorry.
I mean, the brain.
Once again, you are solving this quietly on your own.
You make me alive.
Yep, you got it. When you have your answer, hold up your board. Okay, start at 9. Start your line. What's your answer? 13 minus 9.
What's the strategy?
Alright, my friends, put down your boards. Ooh, is it 14 or?
It's 4.
Yeah, much better. Zia, would you like to come up here and explain to us how you got our answer? Hold that up nice and high. Tell us what you did. All eyes should be on Ziad. You did it? Oh, nice and loud so everyone can hear you.
I put 10 and which one? No, right there. And the one next to it. Then I put 9. And I put 11. Cool.
Beautiful. Thank you, Ziad. Oh, thanks. So when we have our 10 circles over here and our 3 circles over here, Naomi, what did Ziad do? Yeah, he took away those 9. And then he counted up what was left. Naomi, would you like to come up? You had an awesome strategy. Okay, talk nice and loud. Awesome. So Naomi was thinking about how 3 plus 1 equals 4. Yeah, go ahead. And she used our counting on strategy to figure out our final answer. Ooh, Zaria.
Hello, pardon this interruption. Is this Mrs. Lefkoff?
Yes.
I need to know a Ponte for an early release today.
Thank you. She'll be right down.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
If you have writing on your board, you may erase it.
I got it.
Go ahead and erase your board. Oh, the next one. Okay.
I got it. I can say.
Beautiful. Thank you, Naomi. Awesome. Okay. Thank you. Yep, go ahead. All right, my friends, clear your boards. Put your cap on your marker.
I'm going to show you how to put a cap on.
Demonstrate for us.
I'm going to show you how to put a cap on.
High jumps. Zaria, cap your marker.
This is how you put a cap on your marker.
Put your marker and your sock back in your pencil box.
Yes, ma'am.
And take your whiteboard. Put it in your crate.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I don't have anything on my board yet. Ooh, I love that everyone's eyes are ready to learn. Who can tell me what are these 3 things that I just wrote on the board? Sorry. That's our mommy E word. What is it, sorry? Make. Zaria, what's this?
Take from 10.
Justin.
Count on.
What are those examples of?
Count on.
Jason?
Count on. Making a 10 to draw 10. Count.
What are these 3 examples of?
You're making 10 by drawing dots, and then take away from 10, and then count on how many you have left.
Yeah, so we've been using these strategies for our subtraction problems.
I
So
don't know what that means.
strategy, so I'm going to show you. You know exactly what these are because you were doing them, Zaria. You probably just didn't know what they were called.
I don't know what that is.
I'm gonna tell you. So if we are using our counting on strategy, we're gonna think, what does it look like when we use our counting on strategy? Jason does this one a lot. What does it look like?
You go from a smaller number, count up to the bigger number, and the number that came out of until the bigger number is the answer.
Yeah, and what are we doing when we're going from that small number to the big number?
We have to start with
We are drawing lines. Can everyone pretend to draw 6 lines in here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We are going to draw lines. So that is how we remember how to use our counting on strategy.
Wait, are you gonna use mine?
We draw our lines. Just a second, dude. When we are making 10, let's think about it that way. We are making those number bonds, right?
We haven't used number bonds in a while.
I know. We use them sometimes. We draw a lot of our pictures. But when we make our number bond, it looks like a triangle. So let's take a look. My number bond, if I have 13 from our last problem, I've got my 2 lines, right?
10 to 8.
Thank you, Amir. I have 10 and 3. So it kind of looks like a triangle when we make a number bond.
It's like
Yeah, it's like these, but those ones are kind of connected too, right?
it's like a triangle just without a bottom
Exactly. So
to make the circle.
when we're thinking of making 10 in our number bond, I want us to make a triangle. So make a triangle with your arms. As big of a triangle as you can. Justin, how big of a triangle can you make with your arms? I can make a really big triangle.
Yeah, Dad, you guys are so big.
Make a really big triangle. And that is how we're going to make our 10s with our number bonds. And if we are going to take from 10, that one's a little trickier. I want you to give me a high 10. High 10. Everyone's so smart today.
High 10.
High 10. High 10.
Up, high 10.
When we are taking from 10,
Oh.
remember we're taking away from our 10 fingers. Right?
Oh.
Let's try. Let's start with 12. Okay? Do I have 12 fingers?
No.
No, but how many can I hold up?
10. You can count up from your fingers. Yeah,
So I can start with 10.
But I can like you have 12 fingers.
And we're going to think in our brains that we have 2 imaginary fingers.
Yeah, 2
Okay?
imaginary
So we can only see 10.
But we can add some more.
But we're going to think of those 2. So when we're taking from our 12, we're going to take from our 10. So how many should we take away? What are we subtracting?
10.
Someone give me a random number. Zaria.
15.
Ooh. How about 5?
6.
Because we can't take away 15 from 12. 6? So let's hold up our 10. Justin, where's your high 10?
Here's a high 10.
See ya, high 10.
High 10 coming right up.
Thank you. So let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Demonte, how many are left?
I am
4, but I have 2 imaginary fingers in my head.
6.
So I have 6. When we are taking from 10, we are thinking of those imaginary numbers and making our high 10.
Is it because 6 plus 6 equals 12?
Yeah, that's another way to think about it, is with our addition problem.
I got it. So if you have the 6 plus 6, then you take a subtraction, and you have that 12 that you made from the 2 6, and then you turn it into
You can kind of flip them around.
Like, and then
So 12 minus 6 equals
6 because
just like 6 plus
6
equals 12. There you go.
backwards.
It is. Yes, Amir.
It's just like 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then when you take away that 12 will equal 6. Now I say take away 6. And if you take away
L equals 3.
You got it. All right, my friends, I want you to put your whiteboards away if you have not already. I see a few out still.
Go. I'm already finished. Go.
I want you to get your blue math book out. It has that blue stripe on the side.
What, you mean like in a writing folder?
Nope, your blue math book. If you
Wait.
do not have it,
Be in your backpack.
I have some.
Check your backpack.
It should be in your crate or your backpack.
I don't have it.
Take a look, please.
Hey, Ms. Lampa,
Hi.
could I get Anthony Goody for early release?
Oh, not my class.
Oops. Okay. Bye. Is this Ms. Lampa, though?
No, this is Miss Lestat.
Oh, Allie, sorry, Ms. Lampa, forgive me. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait.
You should be looking for your blue math book.
Miss Lestat, do I got the same one? Which one? I got two. My mom put mine away. Which one? I got two blues. I say which one? I got two blues.
It has blue on the side. Let me see it.
I got two blues. I left mine at home. I left mine at home or something. Yellow, and there's another. Blue book?
Yes, you should see a 1, a 2, and a 3.
Mimi, got it.
Beautiful. What do you think you need to go with your book? You need a pencil. Miss Lestock is passing them out for you. Aaron, do you have a pencil? I gave you one this morning. It's in your pencil box. Justin, find your balance. You should open up to page 132.
Page 1.
132.
132. I need
What is that number?
At the bottom, 132.
132. I don't have 132. 132 doesn't make any sense.
What do you mean, Justin?
132. Page 132. What do you want me to do? 132. Wait, this page, I counted 200 by 1.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, are there some more? Are there 132? You like this page?
Does it say 132?
Okay, but this only has anything.
Amir, can you do me the biggest favor and read our first problem?
Yes. Which one? It's this. Okay. Here's my dog on your shoulder. How I find or white pants. White that's 132. The question. There were 12. 132. It was 6. When I went to my granny's house,
Oh, I am so confused
red, blue,
because I only called out Amir. Zaria. Zaria, please.
Can I read the rest?
Amir, can you start again? I am so sorry. From the beginning, nice and loud.
Yes, there were 12 sugar cookies in the box. My friend ate
Jason, Amir has it. It's okay.
in the box. My friend, how many cookies I ate 5 of them. How many cookies are left in the box? And if I go from 5 to
So
12,
let's think about that one.
wait, if I go back from 12 to 5, answer.
I want you to work on that problem by yourselves And I want you to pick one of our strategies so that you can show your work.
The number bond.
You can make a number bond. Remember our triangles?
What is it supposed to be?
You can think in your head about those fingers when we're taking from 10.
No.
Or you can draw your lines and count on to find our answer. You may choose, but I would like you to do that by yourself.
What if you count backwards?
If you have a strategy, you may use it. As long as I can see it. Okay?
Even though it's not in the place.
As long as it makes sense. And you get the answer. Give it a try.
That would equal the same number. That would be the answer.
It would start a fire on plastic. 5 plus 8. I would just.
Ooh, this is easy. I said going 5.
So we have 10. So you have your 10 and 2 somewhere else.
Am I 2? I still feel like I did 7.
Isn't that a different strategy? Get to work.
Okay, you guys cross out your 5 somewhere. So your 10 circles and make sure you have your 2 circles too.
I know I got the answer. And the answer was fine. Because I started from 5 and like 1, 2,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 12 yet?
What's your number sentence for this?
12.
So the answer was 7.
So you're still right. You're still taking away 5. Okay. And you had your number behind. That was correct. 10, 2. Okay, so remember next we need 10 circles and 2 circles before you subtract this.
I did put 10 and 7. Why is it recording?
Because. Aaron, would you like to share your answer?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to first tell me, you can come up here. What was my number sentence? Do you want to get your book? You want your book? Ooh, look at you go. Can you tell me what our number sentence was?
Like read it?
I want you to write it on the board. What is our number sentence?
What again? Oh yeah. Can you send somebody? Our number sentence is
Nice and loud. Use your teacher voice.
our number. Okay. What's
Our number sentence.
our number sentence is 1, 12 minus 5 equals 5 equals 7.
Beautiful. A little smaller. Can you show us how you got that as your answer?
Because all I did was, as you can see, I did 12 lines, which are tallies, like I always do for my math and I listed out 5, which is the other part, which is my friend and I ate 5 of them. How many?
Beautiful.
Alright,
So Aaron knew that if we drew 12 lines, or some people draw their circles, we can cross out 5.
It's right there.
Because Zaria, are we adding or subtracting 5?
I could see that.
What are we doing with 5? You can go first. Bring your book.
12 minus 5 equals 7.
We are subtracting 5. So Justin, does that mean I am going to cross out 5 circles? Or am I going to add 5 circles?
Cross out 5 circles.
I'm going to cross out those circles, and that's how we got
That's
7.
I knew, yeah.
Thank you, Aaron. Can I get one more person to show me what they did?
Intro 7. You didn't do my name.
Just a second.
You said I could go next.
Yeah, I did. Zari, you can go next.
Wait, hold on. I was gonna share.
Keep dropping my pen.
Wait, the total was 7. So the answer is not 7. Because the total was 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. But why do we? But that was the total. We put the total of the equal. So that was not 7.
Can you grab yours?
Miss H. 7 was the wrong answer.
7 was our total, so that means it's our answer. Right? That's how many lines we have.
I know, but can I know something? How can it 7? And just how can it equal 7?
So Zari, can you just come up here and tell us how you solved your answer? I should only be hearing Zari. Ziad. So look, Zari's making her number bun, and she's drawing all of these circles. You're fine. You're fine. She's drawing all of these circles for 10 and 2. What do you think she's gonna do after that, Amir? What is she gonna do after she draws all these circles? She's gonna cross them out, right?
Can I share next?
For our next problem, yes. Ziad, how many did she cross out? If we're subtracting 5, she's crossing out 5. Thank you, Zari. All right, my friends, we're going to do one last problem. So your books should still be open. After this, it'll be time for recess.
What? The timer hasn't went up yet.
Because it's not time for recess yet.
So why do you want to recess? I need this last question.
Because it's going to take us a few minutes. I want you to look at number 4. Naomi, could you read?
Take too long.
Justin.
Can I go?
Naomi, can you read problem 4 for us nice and
I
loud?
started it. I want to read it.
So, Jason, I need to be able to hear Naomi. I need everyone except for Naomi to catch a bubble in 3, 2, 1.
Can you help me? Megan checked out 17 books from the library. She read 9 of them. Mommy said she had one of them.
Thank you, Naomi. I am going to give you about 2 minutes to solve that problem. You can do it however you would like. Pick one of our strategies. Pick one of our strategies and solve that problem.
I already did that problem.
If you did it already, we will be moving on in about 2 minutes. Nice job. We're still on 132.
It's almost.
Oh, you already did it.
It's time.
Looks like a lot of people already did it, so we'll move on in
What
just a minute.
page are we supposed to be doing this time? This one? It says man is out 7 books from the library. She have read 9 4 times now and one now done. God has 4 2 reasons.
So how many books do you have?
17, then she reading 9, and then now, how many did she have? Left. 2, 3. That's 9.
Are we adding or subtracting?
I'm confused too. Subtract.
We are actually going to share with some partners in a second. Yeah, that works. If you end at 5, it's the same as if you counted to 12,
17.
right?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Just a second, we're going to share with partners.
minus 8, 9. Hello. Yeah. I got the answer. I think I got the answer 9.
All right, my friends, I want all eyes on the board. I am going to pair you up with a partner. So, when we are working with partners, we still have to be in our space. But you guys get to talk with just your partner. So if you're talking, you don't know what you're going to be working with your partner. I'm giving you partners. Okay. Zaria and Justin, you're going to work together. Zari and Zia, you're going to work together. Naomi and Demonte, you're going to work together. Amir, Jason, and Aaron, if you would like to come here, you three can work together. Okay? When you are with your partner, you're going to talk about the problem you just worked on. You're going to look at your partner's strategy and see if it makes sense and if you guys got the same answer. Does everyone understand? You are just talking about your math problem. If you are not talking about our math problem, we cannot do this activity again. Okay, does everyone know who their partner is?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you're gonna have 2 minutes, and then we're gonna share as a class before recess. Okay, so you should be facing your partner, ready to go.
I already got my answer right here. That was easy. Not bad. 7. And at the bottom is 8. Oh, you want to know the answer?
We'll talk about how you would solve it. So how did you do it?
I put 10 points, and then I got all the way up to 17. Then I counted to normal speed, and then I figured out there's just 9.
I see. You counted. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
I did it myself.
Okay, you need to recount.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8. I didn't say that before. No, Jason's not your partner. He is. Jason and Aaron. Jason, Aaron, and me. Yeah. They got 3 partners. No, that's not. Yes, it is. Zaria. Come on, Zaria. Wake up. Zaria. Zaria. Zaria.
Okay, Aaron's ready to share.
If you can hear me, touch your toes.
So I'm here and Jason, you can be partners.
I'm sorry, on your end. If you can hear me, touch your
We
head.
do it the same way.
If you can hear me, jump up. If you can hear me, put your hand on your hip. If you can hear me, make a hula hoop. Ooh, looks like Amir can't hear me because I don't see him hula hooping. If you can hear me, take a seat. Can I have one group tell me how they solved their math problem? Demonte, how did you solve your problem?
I solved my math problem by drawing 12 lines and I crossed off 5 and 7.
Awesome. So we crossed off and found our answer. All right, my friends, I would like you to close your books. Are they taking a book home today? They can just leave. Okay. Close your books, put it in your crate. Your pencil needs to go in your pencil box.
Okay.
If there is anything else on your table, make sure it finds its way to your crate.
It goes flying into your crate.
Don't fly into your crate.
Fly.
Place it in your crate.
Ooh, and that bam. Slip a slam to that. Bam, slam. Do I put like whatever?
Yep, put it in your crate.
What?